So in this video, I'm going to show you how to wire up a pool timer. I already have the cover off that covers this. So you're basically going to start in your panel. You have your gfci 20 amp breaker, number 12 wire you're going to use. I used a 1/2-inch car flex with 2 straight connectors to use single conductors NMC out to my pump. Since you need an insulated ground on the outside to all pool equipment, I just wanted to stick with an insulated ground altogether, but you should be able to just use Romex on the inside. So you have your hot and neutral black and white wire that goes into your GFCI breaker. Your GFCI breaker has its own little neutral wire that goes into the neutral bar. Obviously the grounds go onto the ground bar, and then we come out of here and we go into the timer. I used 12.3 MC wire in case I ever need an extra conductor. It's not necessary, just the 12.2 with the black, white, and ground is fine, but obviously your grounds go to your grounds. The neutrals go into that terminal. So you have your feed coming in for your neutral, and then your supply going out. Let's get that out of the way. The hots, that's the feed to the hot. That goes into this first terminal, but then there's a jumper. Let's get this out of the way. There's a jumper that goes to, you can see it there, the fourth one in from the right. So that jumper goes from this first terminal over to the fourth one in from the right, and then the one to the left of that, which we can see here, is the supply wire to the pool pump. So you'll have your hot feed coming in the first terminal with your jumper coming out, your neutral feed going into the second terminal with your supply coming out, and then your jumper goes here and the black supply wire going to your pump right there. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any other questions or want clarification on anything, please let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to help. If you liked the video, if it helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it.